let's hear one more success story, all coming in from Dr. Raghav. Hi, Dr. Raghav. Sangeeta here. Pleasure talking to you. Well, that smile says it all. What is the rank that you obtained?
Rank 2, ma'am.
I said the smile says it all. So rank 2 on?
All India Institute, rank 2.
For AIIMS. And what course are you doing now?
I've taken 6-year neurosurgery, 6-year course.
6 year?
Yes, ma'am.
That's going to be intensive and exhaustive, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
But you can call me Sangeeta, that's fine with me. So, well, you know, you're back here, like you just mentioned while we were talking behind the cameras, that yes, it is your first video interview. How's the whole feeling to be back here with IIMS and, you know, being a part of this interview?
Well, it's good, and I guess it was the right decision that I chose IIMS over all the other institutes, and it's shown in my results. So it's good to be back then and come and talk to all the students like I was sitting here a year back and listening to the toppers. So it's really good to be back on the other side now.
Very, very rightly said that, you know, you said that, yeah, it was a great decision that you chose IIMS. And what made you really choose IIMS?
What made me really choose IIMS, to be really, really frank, family history, I would say. My brother joined IIMS.
Wow, so it's like a generation,
Yeah,
it's a legacy.
Generation actually. And one of them is in PGI, another one is in AIIMS, and the second one in AIIMS. So.
Fantastic. So that's fantastic. I mean, Dr. Raghav has actually a legacy that you know, that he's followed on to, and he's got few more people who are with it at PGI.
I think it's not only that. At the end of the day, I realized that it was the correct decision. The course material is the best, and I've done nothing else. I've just read the books
Limited
that were given by IIMS. So it's been very focused.
So these books, these content books which you get, these materials that you get, how useful are they?
I've done only that. So.
You've only limited yourself.
I've only done that, nothing else.
And you've still got rank 2.
Yeah, I've still got rank 2.
So which is very focused approach.
Yeah, that's what I said. Focused and intense study.
Well, coming back and talking about FTS, how useful are they from time to time?
See, once a month FTS really helps you gauge your position at the end of the month. You can always say how much you've improved from your previous rank.
So it helps you to assess yourself, evaluate yourself.
And because everybody is giving the FTS, so you know where you're standing. So it's a good representative of how much you've prepared over the past month, and so it helps you gauge your performance from time to time.
And how about the faculties here at IIMS?
There's no one better, simply said.
No one better. I like that. That's like one line and says it all.
Simply.
So how did IIMS really, you know, facilitate your entire, you know, this dream for you to achieve this? Overall, how was the experience and how do you rate it?
Ma'am, for me, I've done everything at IIMS only. I've not read anything else. For me, my total preparation was what was done at IIMS. So for me, it was the complete package.
So the faculty, the FTS, the material, everything was just IIMS.
So
fantastic. And like you said, rank 2 on at AIIMS. How many questions did you attempt out of 200?
I think we need to attempt all questions. To give yourself a fair chance of clearing the examination, you need to attempt maximum questions. At least 190 out of 200.
And did you also attempt the other exams like the PGI?
I gave PGI. PGI also I attempted around 240, over 240.
How many options?
How many options I really don't remember, but it'll be around 450, I guess.
So I think 450 is the right...
That's what I got from my seniors, that you have to attempt around 450. So I guess it was somewhere around that. So
well, just summing it up all for us, what are the strengths of IIMS?
Great faculty and a good schedule. We have a fixed program that every weekend there's going to be a class. It's never like sometimes the class is not happening or you're having 2-3 hours.
The regularity is...
It's a regular, it's a proper course, it's well managed. So I think that's the best point.
And any weaknesses that you'd like to highlight for us?
Yes, none that I can see.
Thank you, Raghav. Really pleasure talking to you. Wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you so much.